Good day, students. Welcome to Physical and Health Education class. Today we want to look at a very important topic known as fundamental human movement. When we look at the movement itself, is one of the major characteristics of human being. Because everybody believes that anybody that cannot move, is it that the person is sick or healthy? Let us now look at fundamental human movement. What do we really mean by fundamental movement? For us to have a better knowledge of it, let us split it into two. Let's first look at the fundamental movement first. Fundamental movement is the natural way of shifting of the body from one place to another. While movement is the change of position of the body from one place to another. This movement we are talking about can be categorized or classified to three different groups. And those groups are, first one, locomotor movement. Second one, non-locomotor movement. And the third one is manipulative movement. Let us now be taking them one by one. The first one, known as locomotor movement, is the movement that involves the moving of the whole body from one place to another. It requires the complete changing of position of that particular object from where it is to another place. For example, let's look at, I'm standing now. If I move a bit further, it means I've left where I am to another place. And we still have other examples under this particular locomotor movement. Other examples are running, jumping, crawling, galloping, leaping, jogging, skipping, climbing. We can see that all these examples, there's no way it can be done without leaving where the particular object is to another place. Let's now look at the second category of movement, which is non-locomotor movement. This particular one has to do, it does not require moving the whole body from one place to another. It requires moving some parts of the body. I mean a little segment of it. For example, like bending. I'm still where I am on a spot, and at the same time moving a part of my body. Can you get it? We still have other examples like pushing, twisting, pulling. We can even turn. At the same time, there can still be something like rotation. It means that it's only a little part of the body that is being moved. Then let us now look at other examples under it. We have so many examples like nodding, sitting, standing as I'm standing, then shivering, and other examples like that. The third one, which is known as manipulative. From the word itself, it means it's being manipulated. This is a movement that requires the whole parts of the body has to move in order to give a force to a particular object. For example, if I have an object holding and I want to throw it, I need to apply force in order to let that particular object get to where I'm sending it to. Other examples under this manipulative movement are kicking, dancing, edging, trapping, which is one of the skills in football. Under the movement as well, we still have something we know as redeeming movements. This one is so simple. It can only be done according to the rhythm of the sound, beat, or music. And we have just two examples under this, which is dancing and marching. These are all the examples that we have under fundamental movements. In a summary, today's class we have talked about different types of fundamental human movement. We have talked about the locomotor movement, non-locomotor movement, manipulative movement, and redeeming movement. In next class, we'll discuss much about it. Have a nice day.